So let's solve this question. Translate the following sentences into predicate logic. These 4 sentences are given to you and the predicates are given to you. The domain is set of all animals. The domain contains all the animals, and hx is x likes honey. This is the predicate. Bx means x is a bear. So these 2 predicates are given to you and we need to translate these 4 sentences into predicate logic. So let's see the first sentence. That is, all animals like honey. Every animal likes honey. Remember, the domain is also set of all animals. So it simply means that every element in the domain likes honey. Please understand that we are talking about all animals. The domain is also set of all animals. So that means we are talking about all the elements in the domain. So this first statement says that every element in the domain likes honey. So I can simply write it, all animals like honey. That means every element in the domain, for all x means every element in the domain, it likes honey. Okay, I can say. And remember, the domain is set of all animals. So this, how can I read this? I can say that for all animals, they like honey. So this is the translation for the first statement. All animals like honey means for all x, they like honey. What is the second statement? At least one animal likes honey. Okay, again, at least one element in the domain is set of all animals. So I can say at least one element in the domain likes honey. I can say there is at least one element in the domain, it likes honey. Okay, so this is how you can write. Now remember, because the domain is set of all animals, in the domain you have animals, so every variable will refer to this domain. In the predicate logic, every variable will always refer to the domain. So this variable x refers to this domain. So how can I read this? I can read this like this, that there is some animal, because x is animal. X refers to set of animals. So I can say x is animal. So how can I read this? I can read that there is some animal which likes honey. And this is what we want to write, that there is some animal, at least one animal likes honey. So this is your translation for the second statement. Let's see the third statement. It is saying not every animal likes honey. Okay, so this simply means it is not the case. It is not the case that every animal likes honey. So I can say it is not the case. Not means negation. It is not the case that. Okay, this means negation. It is not the case that every animal likes honey. So I can say, remember, not every animal likes honey. This third statement, it says that it is not the case that every animal likes honey. So negation of every animal likes honey. This is the statement third. Okay, negation of every animal likes honey. This third statement, you can also think like this. You can also say that not every animal likes honey. It means it is not true that every animal likes honey. It is not true that every animal likes honey. It simply means that there is some animal, at least one animal does not like honey. There is at least one animal which does not like honey. Okay, so this is how you can write. So this third statement you can write in two ways. Either you can write like this is also correct, or you can write like this is also correct, and they are equivalent. Both of them are equivalent. This expression is equivalent to this expression. So let's see the next statement. No animal likes honey. No animal likes honey means, it simply means that there is no animal which likes honey. Means for every animal you are saying that they don't like honey. Means for everyone you are saying they don't like honey, because this fourth statement, it is saying no animal likes honey. Okay, so this simply means it is like this. No animal likes honey. That means for everyone I am saying, for every animal I am saying, the domain is set of all animals. So for every animal I am saying that they don't like honey. Okay, what is another way of writing this? See, no animal likes honey. That means there does not exist any animal which likes honey. Okay, so I can say it is not the case that at least one animal likes honey. This fourth statement, I can say it is not the case that at least one animal likes honey. It is not the case that at least one animal likes honey. Okay, so this is another way of writing the fourth statement. So this fourth statement, you can write like this is also correct, and you can write like this is also correct. This expression is equivalent to this expression. So both are correct answers for the fourth statement. So this is your question.